up, guys? It's Nick here, and today's video we're gonna go over the funding blueprint. All right, we're gonna show you guys how to get business credit with no personal guarantee or credit check, and get loans and credit lines when banks say no way. All right. So we believe all entrepreneurs should be able to obtain capital, know exactly how much you can get approved for before you even apply. You should know what lenders know about you and can see on your credit reports. You should be able to access all funding options in one place, right? Not be scattered out and searching different places to try to find the best options for you. You should have access to the same business credit building blueprint that large companies use in corporations. You should be able to use the money when you need it, however you want to. And you should get the most money at the best terms and the best rates, okay? So what we're gonna go over is how to beat the banks and become fundable, how anyone can get business credit for your EIN, not leak to your SSN, how to get high limit revolving corporate cards, how to get this credit with no credit check or guarantee, how to access loans and credit lines when banks say no way, and how to get money as a startup, nonprofit, or just to grow and expand your vision. All right. So today's going to be for you if you're looking for money to grow your business, or if you've been denied financing or credit, or you're scared that you will be. If you want the easiest and fastest way to get capital, if you want your business to fund itself, you want the blueprint to get away from personal guarantees. That way it's strictly attached to your EIN and not your SSN. You want to get the most money at the best terms to start or grow your vision. Today won't be for you if you're looking for a rich quick scheme, if you want to use shortcuts like shelf corps or CPNs or buying trade lines. It's not for you if you expect money to fall from the sky with no work or qualification. You intend on getting money with no PG, then not paying it back. You do not want to defraud the banks, all right? You always want to pay your debts back, all right? So why you want to choose us, whether you're accumulating wealth for the future or trying to create a lasting legacy for your business, our experienced advisors can customize a business development plan. We raise awareness of financial wellness, as well as the potential risk of insufficient well-being, as we provide a platform for businesses to be educated and trained on a healthy lifestyle. All right. And here are a few bonuses. All right. You're going to play back of this event. Of course, it will be on YouTube. And, you'll get a no-cost business credit consultation with the business credit expert to review your report. All right. The value of that is $149, and we do it for free. All right. Getting money for your business is hard. Per the Bureau of Labor statistics, more than half of businesses will fail within 5 years or less. 82% of businesses' failures are due to issues with cash flow. And a staggering 90% of business owners agree that availability of loans is a problem, right? Mainly small businesses. 51% of small business owners worry weekly about capital, which is dangerous. Worrying about where your money's coming from weekly. All right, so how to succeed with getting money. Set up your business where it's fundable by meeting lender approval criteria before you even apply. All right, save yourself the headache. Get business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your SSN to become more lendable. Capital is available if you know where to look. So find all options in one place. This is what we provide for you. All right, have you ever applied for a credit card and gotten automated and instant approval? Lenders and credit issuers have a secret, unpublished set of standards that you must meet to get approved. How fundable your business is determines if you get automated approvals or get denied and have to call in for a manual review. All right. Improve your fundability by make sure you set up your business where it is fundable. Some fundability factors include the type of entity you have, the type of phone number you use, whether you have a fax number, if your phone number is listed in certain directories, the type of address you use for your business, the type of licensing you may have, the congruency of your records, the type of references you have, whether your bank account is set up, the way your website and email are set up, numbers you have linked to your EIN, does and bin. You want to make sure you have all that to be automatic approval worthy. All right. Even the slightest change of one standard can turn a denial into approval. All right. So even if you are fundable, most loan applications get denied because of potential fraud concern, not because you don't qualify. Lenders fight fraud by matching your company application details against other data they have from places like LexisNexis, Dun& Bradstreet, Experian, the Small Business Financial Exchange, Equifax, and Check Systems. These are all business credit reporting agencies. All right, so you must know what's being reported about you to have the best chance of getting approved. You want to see your business credit report. All right, you want to know what's on there. Here's a case study. One of our clients of Success Tax Relief owners. We went to our bank to get a business line of credit and they turned us down. We got started and set up our business credibly and built our business credit. After following the steps, we've now secured over $96,000 in business credit and just applied for the Platinum American Express and got approved instantly with no limit. All right. Now we have 4 to 5 different companies call us every day trying to give us money. That's a really good problem to have. We're excited. If you don't have business credit yet, you should get involved and have the same results. All right. Business credit, not attached to your SSN, is huge. Build it the right way. All right. So when you get a home mortgage, your car loan, or personal credit card, do you think lenders and credit issuers pull your credit? Of course. When your business applies for money, your business credit is being used to determine if you'll get approved, how much you get approved for, and the rates and terms you'll pay. So you can be issued a failing score for your business, even if you have no credit reporting, because you look unestablished and possibly on the verge of filing for bankruptcy. All right. So here is a business credit report that has no accounts on it at all. All right. And it's issued a failing score. All right. It's 6, which means it's medium to high risk, and you will not get funding with that type of credit, business credit score. So here is another company who just in 3 quarters from April to December took that same 28 score and pushed it all the way to 93 with just 1 account reporting. All right, just having 1 account reporting and paying that account back on time or early, you can see that it boosted the score up to 93. Business credit ranges from 0 to 100 and it's considered low risk. All right. Now, you can also see business credit gives lenders an amount to recommend to lend to you. All right. So this is 2,500 just on 1 account. All right. So here are other business credit scores. You see an 80. You want to be from 80 to 100. All right. That is the range to get you funded. As you can see here, here's a business credit report showing all the trade lines that they have. Okay, you can see contracts credit varied net 30, another contract revolving credit net 30, net 30, net 30, net 15. All right, as you can see, that is a score of 98 and it's low risk. You can see the credit limit recommendation is $724,000. This is where you want to get to, where your automatic approvals and your recommendations are 6 figures. All right, you can see here also with the 80 score, this company has been recommended $65,000. All right, now your business credit is not secret or hidden. Anybody can pull up your company's business credit and see how well you're doing, if you're paying things on time, and your recommendations for credit limits. Okay, so get approved regardless of consumer credit quality, which is your personal credit. Even if personal credit is bad, who cares? No personal guarantee is required. No consumer credit inquiries on your credit report. Credit limits 10 to 100 times the consumer credit, right? Per the Small Business Association. So get credit quickly because scores are based on payment history. Separate reports of consumer and commercial establishes your credibility for lenders, suppliers, and credit issuers, and anyone can see your business reports, like I said earlier. All right, so here are some clients that are just showing their Equifax, business credit reports here. Here is a testimonial of a $150,000 line of credit for their trucking company. Here's Christine. For those who say business credit without a PG is not possible, there is just a few of my cars. This does not include what I'm waiting on to be shipped, nor what I have for my other businesses as well. And you can see all of her cars that she has down here. All right. Here's another Murphy's USA, which is a vehicle credit line, been approved for $15,000, not attached to your SSN. Okay. Here you can see more testimonials. So today, while I was in Sam Club, I decided to apply with my EIN. I have one that I PG several months ago. I was approved for the Sam's Credit version with no PG for 12K, and the one I PG earlier this year was 37K Mastercard with Sam's. I was surprised that my limit was 12K, seeing that I have a larger credit lines, but then I found out today that my Experian credit score decreased by 18 points. All right, so her Experian business credit report increased by 18 points, but so she was expecting to get higher, but still $12,000 not attached to your SSN. Take that any day. Okay, use it for your business any way you please. All right, so any and all businesses can qualify for business credit. Startups, nonprofits, owners outside the U.S. Works if you own multiple businesses, get approved even when you can't get any type of loan or credit line. All right, no cash flow requirements, no collateral required, and no consumer credit requirements, which is your personal credit. All right, you must build business credit to get the highest approvals and best terms on financing and get money when you can't get approved for credit loans or credit lines. All right, so here's another case study. Marlon McKinney of Wealth Builders is looking for a fast way to get money to grow my business credit business. After failing to get approved for loans with several banks, I discovered this program. After getting initial vendor accounts, I continued applying and getting all types of credit, and now I have over 100 business credit cards in my wallets, totaling over $1 million in total available credit. I have fleet credit that I use for auto repairs and fuel. I have cash credit cards with major banks, including Bank of America and Wells. I secured almost all this credit without a personal credit check and without a personal guarantee. And I've been able to get loans with many sources since, including PayPal and Cabbage with low rates and low amounts over $100,000. All right. So this showed you how powerful business credit can be. You must have access to funding to grow your business. After the 2008 economic shift, Dodd-Frank required banks to tighten lending standards. As a result, alternative lending sources poured into the space with a 25% higher approval rate than bank loans. All right. There's more funding available today for small businesses than ever, but most lenders only offer one type of funding, making it difficult to access what you need. And that type of funding is pretty much loans. All right. So there are many types of financing you can qualify, not just loan. All right. You can get revenue lending, merchant cash advance, account receivables, purchase orders, startup, unsecured business financing, book of business, 401k, securities, commercial vehicle, commercial real estate, peer-to-peer lending, angel investing, venture capitalists, private investments, equity investments, inventory, equipment sale, leaseback, SBA loans, term loans, business lines of credit, house flipper financing, and crowdfunding. All right, you can get access to all of these in one place, which is huge for you. All right, you must access all legitimate business funding options in one place to get the most money at the best terms. Here we have another case study of OBGYN clinic in North Carolina. Dr. Brandon originally approached us to get $417,000 to pay off a tax lien and was in the process of closing his practice. With credit issues and no collateral, several banks had already denied him. Through multiple rounds of funding, he was able to get the money to pay off the IRS, expand his practice, and even make a run for public office. Today, he secured over $1.5 million in funding through unsecured financing, revenue loans, and private investor term loans. How to improve fundability, get business credit for your EIN, and access credit lines and loans all in one place. All right. As an entrepreneur, you should be able to get money that you need when you need it. But not knowing approval standards, not having business credit, and not being able to access all funding options in one place, that is what's holding you back and slowing you down. Our business finance suite helps you do all three to get the most money at the best terms. All right. So when you enroll, these are all the things that you get in our special. Okay. All of these items you would get for a total retail value of $12,140. But it will take you typically 18 to 24 months to do on your own. All of these things you can do with us in only 6 months. Save yourself the time and the headache and the struggle. How much can an extra 18 months with limited to no money cost you? And you'll be paying thousands more for monitoring Dun& Bradstreet, 411, valuations, and more. Save yourself the money. All right, we'll help you ensure payments are affordable. We will customize the payment for you. We work with services like Fundbox Pay to also provide affordable payment options. We also use Behalf as well. We can help you secure business financing to enroll. We even have an off-site program that can help. All right, you get full access with your first payment. This shifts the risk to us, so there's no downside and massive upside potential. All right, just to recap, these are all the items you get again with us. All right, huge value. That's what we're big on, providing value, under promise and over delivery. All right, and you'll get access with your first payment. Like I said before, shift the risk to us, and there's no downside and just a massive upside potential for yourself. All right, so this has been the funding blueprint to get business credit with no personal guarantee or credit check and get loans and credit lines when banks say no way.